So what we're looking at is the history. The Merlion is gone. It was 8.6 metres tall, he weighed 70 tonnes and was made in 1972. He didn't originally start on Sentosa Island. He was on the mainland and eventually got moved across to Sentosa, where he stayed until recently in 2019 when they decided to close it, and even more so in 2022 where they decided it was time to remove the Merlion. The Merlion was key to Sentosa Island. It certainly did look the part and it was loved by many people. But unfortunately, the Merlion has now gone. There used to be this beautiful walkway which had lots of water features, and there was mosaic art, and I never really knew what that mosaic art was. It looked like sea creatures or fish. However, it was there and it was nice, and there was a hidden walkway that would get you down to the beach on Sentosa Island. But as you can see, this is what all used to be here. Now this has all been dug out. It's no longer here. There's a great big opening. It does look good what they're building, and I do look forward to coming back one day and seeing what they have got for us in the future. It is costing $90 million, whatever they are up to. It does look a little bit like something. They're building something very similar to what's at the Jewel, which we all recognise and know, but I don't think it will be anything as grand as that. But it certainly will be impressive, because nothing Singapore does isn't impressive. The walkway used to lead down towards the beach, and the walkway was kind of zigzag back and forth, but it didn't look like much during the day. But at night time, which I'm about to show you, it really did look spectacular, and it was always a sea of people walking up and down. It was definitely something very impressive to look at.
Well, right there used to be a heap of stairs going up, and that now makes sense as to why it's all missing. Oh, it's a bit different. Yeah, this was all nice and open last time. This was all open last time, but now it's something's happening. So they did say, because the Merlion was here, and well, the Merlion's gone. So they weren't kidding when they said they were going to get rid of the Merlion. So this area was quite nice and open, but yeah.
So that's all up there, isn't it? All that stuff.
Well, yeah, that's all new. It wasn't there. Yeah, you could literally turn around here and you'd be looking at the Merlion, but not anymore. Normally on Sentosa Island, in the background we can see some blue scaffolding. That is the Merlion, but it's gone for the new grander plan. The nice grey steel things that we're looking at, that's going to be a boardwalk for everyone to walk on. It's quite closed up at the moment, and it's very, very different to what we're used to. Over here we have a few pictures of their grander plans. You can see the boardwalk. That's those steel pipes at the moment. The new features they're building, and you can walk all the way down to the sea, and there used to be some stairs there, but they've taken all them away, and at the moment it's well and truly a building site. Some more grand plans.
So I thought I'd end it with a couple more sneak peek pictures of the construction site where the Merlion and the shops and everything used to be. It would be great if Merlion pops up again somewhere else on Sentosa Island, but Nevertheless, I'm sure whatever they are building here will end up being something that is going to be recognised around the world in the future, as everything they do in Singapore truly is spectacular. But I'll end it with a little bit of some footage that I had on my phone where they light up the Merlion at night with 3 massive projectors.